We are back in one of my favorite neighborhoods in all of Yorktown, the Huntersville neighborhood. We are standing on the pillared front porch of this grand home on 7 acres with a pond, stone walls, lawns, perennial gardens, specimen trees. But not only is it magnificent in the setting and on the road that books have been written about, Baptist Church Road, but the inside is equally as unique and grand in every way, shape, and form. Let's go take a look. So as I promised, the interior is just as impressive and grand as the exterior. How many kitchens boast 3 islands, high-end appliances, sub-zero refrigerator, hardwood floors? The entire interior is just magnificent as promised. So that was one fabulous home we just saw, and I'm standing in front of this huge, enormous rock outcropping on the property that you may see in another part of the video as well, but I just wanted to highlight again the setting, the road, the neighborhood, the easy commute to New York City. It just encompasses everything on everyone's checklist. Thanks for visiting. And if you have any interest or questions or concerns about this property, I can be reached at 914-671-7730 or my email ddill@houlihanlawrence.com. Thanks for watching the video.